Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is one of those days which every minute counts, from harvesting coffee to working in my kitchen garden and taking care of my animals. Come spend a full day on the farm with me, guys. Stay until the end because I promise I won't go home empty-handed, guys. The day officially begins on the road. While many people are still sleeping, farmers are already chasing the sunrise. Let's see what today harvest has in the store, guys.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
The coffee trees are looking beautiful, guys. As you can see, they have grown so well, and I'm also expecting in few months, by the month of October, November and December, to harvest more crops, guys. Today I'm picking only the ripe berries ready for sale, but I'm also removing the overripe ones. Leaving them on the tree only affect the next harvest, so every berry I pick today is an investment in tomorrow. Farming teaches one lesson every single day. If you want good results, you have to stay consistent even when nobody is watching. So guys, after some hours of working, I got somehow tired. I decided to go and rest inside my car as I take that fruit, yeah, to energize myself, guys. So guys, despite having coffee, I still have bananas there, and as you can see, the bucket is almost full, guys. Not every berry belongs in the same basket. I'm selecting only the ripe coffee for delivery to the factory because quality always comes before quantity. Hard work starts in the shamba, but quality is what earns better returns, guys. So I later delivered the coffee to the factory, guys, but only one task is complete. The day is still young and there is plenty more to do, guys. Back home, there is no time to rest. My kitchen garden needs attention because every harvest starts with healthy soil. I'm cultivating a new section for vegetables. The stronger the foundation, the healthier the crops, guys. So that is me there, adding some water to loosen the soil so that the cultivation of the benches will be easier for me, guys. Now, guys, I am adding chicken and goat manure. Yeah, some people see waste, but for me, I see fertilizer, and nothing goes into waste on the farm. This is going to help me very much in making my soil to be more fertile, and my greens and vegetables are going to come out so well, guys. That is my son there. He requested to assist in cultivation. So, guys, the next step is to do the watering. This is because moist soil gives the new plants the best chance to establish themselves and grow strong. It will also make it easier for me to do the planting. And now, guys, the exciting part is here. That is the planting itself. A few tiny seeds today could become weeks of fresh vegetables for my family, guys, and I'm so excited to do it with charming heart, guys. And when I thought it's time for me to rest, guys, my goat said, say no more. So I had no other option but to feed them. So guys, I had to get some silage for them, as you can see, guys. And later, that is me there feeding them. There we go. Everyone is happy now. A well-fed animal is a happy animal. Before I call it a day, let me show you what I harvested from the kitchen garden. Fresh sugarcane and thorn melon. That's the beauty of farming. Even after a long day of hard work, nature always gives you something to take home. If you enjoyed spending the day with me, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.